Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel The Balanced Plate. Today we will help you out with a very delicious dish which is known as Mumbai Ragi Vada Pav. This dish is liked by everyone, children, adults and teenagers. So you can make it for anyone. So let's start on how to make this. First, take 1 teaspoon of oil and put it into a pan. Then add 1 teaspoon of kali sarso, or it is also called as black mustard, into it. Let it splutter. After that, add 8 to 7 kadhi patta leaves. Then add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Cook this for a few seconds. Then add 1 hari mirchi chopped into it, 1 tablespoon of haldi or turmeric, half tablespoon of lal mirchi or red chili, 1/4 tablespoon of hing, 1 tablespoon of salt or namak. Cook this for a few seconds. Then add 2 cups of boiled and mashed potatoes. Cook it and then add 2 tablespoons of hara dhania or fresh coriander. After cooking it for a while, keep it aside to cool down. Then take a fresh pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 10 to 12 lesun or garlic cloves in it. Cook them till they become golden in color. Then add 3 tablespoons of mungfali or raw peanuts. Cook this for 4 to 5 minutes. After cooking it, put 2 tablespoons of safed til. Cook this for next 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, switch off the flame and add spices to it. Half tablespoon of dhania, 1 tablespoon of salt or namak, 1 tablespoon of degi mirch, 3 tablespoon of nariyal or desiccated coconut. Mix it well and let it cool completely. Transfer it to a grinder and make coarse powder. Now coming back to the potato mixture. Make small balls from the potato mixture. Now in a fresh bowl, take 1 cup of besan or gram flour. Add 1/4 cup of corn flour, half tablespoon of haldi or turmeric, 1 tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of lal mirch, 1/4 tablespoon of hing, half tablespoon of baking soda. Add water gradually to make thick batter. Now dip potato balls in batter and fry till they become crispy. Let them cook for a few seconds before turning. Using the same batter, make some bundi also. Now toast the pav in some butter. Remember to take the ragi pav only. Toast it from both the sides. Now we'll come to assembling the vada pav. Put some green chutney on one face of vada pav. Then put fried potato ball on it. Put the garlic chutney on it. And then add the fried bundi on it. Now close the vada pav. Your delicious Mumbai Ragi Vada Pav is ready to eat. It is healthy, tasty, and anyone can eat it, from children, adults and teenagers. Do prepare this for your friends and family and they will definitely like it. Do share this with your friends and family, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Also, let us know what next healthy recipe you want us to make for you.